Today, I'll guide you through the process of checking your subscriptions on your Nintendo Switch account, whether it's Nintendo Switch Online, the expansion pack, or a game service like Inky Pen. You can easily view and manage them right from your Switch or through a mobile browser. Let's walk through the steps together. Open up your Switch. From your home menu, open the Nintendo eShop. Choose the profile you want to check subscription for. Now let it load up. Once it loads up, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and select Nintendo Switch Online. You'll see your current plan, expiration date, and whether auto renewal is on or off. If you scroll down further, you'll find your subscriptions. Scroll down again and you'll find your pre-orders. This only shows Nintendo-based subscriptions, so make sure to keep that in mind. That's all for checking your subscriptions on the Nintendo Switch. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick Nintendo tips. Thanks for watching.